Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial to review this hotspot of Airtel's. Not it's a Airtel guys. You can insert any SIM of any telecoms company's SIM, and you can use as a Wi-Fi internet facility in this hotspot, and you can connect more than 20 devices at the one time, and you will get more than, yes, it's a 4G, so definitely you will get more than 10 MB per second speed on your device that you have connected with the help of this hotspot. So it's a 4G guys. So see, actually any SIM, this is a multi-inserting SIM hotspot. So guys, see, I'm using this hotspot and good speed of this. You will get a charger cable and as well as the one adapter and this. So see, it's look like here this one, so you can keep here anywhere, and good frequency range of this Wi-Fi hotspot. So see guys, here just I would like to show you about name. Let's see. Yeah, battery backup, see, passcode has been given here guys. Yeah, this is your passcode of this hotspot, as well as now see here given. So let's see here, the battery will be here of TCL company, not this companies. So battery backup is quite good. Why it is so? Because this is a lithium ion battery. So and total mAh, if you talk, it's approximately 1800 mAh. So it's a good one, and battery backup is of course you can access more than 6 hours. And if you just connected 2-3 devices, so definitely you can use more than 8-10 hours of this hotspot. And range Wi-Fi speed is quietly good guys. So let me insert here. See, this is your memory card inserting jack, this is your SIM card inserting jack. And now see guys, here I would like to show you. Simply just you have to on, and so how it will work. Now see guys, one thing let you inform, so you have to keep for reset for 10 seconds by pressing both here, then you will be able to reset of this also. And it's a Airtel 4G hotspot. It means that doesn't reflect only one that you can use here Airtel. You can see at the present time I'm using the Jio SIM in this, and it's working very fantastic. Idea whatever telecommunications other companies in India available, of course you can. If you are out of India, you can insert any SIM of the countries, and you can access, no problem at all, and you can consume of this hotspot Wi-Fi facility. So let me connect here at the moment, how it will, it's connecting or not. So see guys, if it opens the range of this Wi-Fi, see, now I will go for Wi-Fi, I will go for on to. Now see, this is the Technology Welfare that I have kept. So one thing let you inform guys, according to your crystallization, you can, yes, change your hotspot name as well as the password also, no problem at all. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If you would like to purchase, I have given Amazon as well as the Flipkart links. That's how you will purchase. You will get approximately below the 2000, below the 2000, I mean below the 2000 Indian currency. So if you would like to purchase, I will give you the website link below the description box, and it's in the warranty more than 1 year, so you can easily, without suspecting on this product, it's quite good. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. I'm using this hotspot and it's working and functional very quite good. So That's why I decided to show you this. If you're planning to purchase any Wi-Fi hotspot, so go ahead and purchase this one multi-inserting SIM. That will be a good because as we know that sometimes the one company, for example, one telecom company's the SIM. Network range is not going to, your frequency is going to good. In that situation, you can change the SIM and you will get good frequency of another company's show. This is quietly go ahead. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. How to like this video tutorial, and still you have any confusion, inquiry, you can rise below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Have a great time. Bye bye.